Hello everyone, it's just an addendum to my video earlier. So what I have over here is one of these. As you can see, the output is 12 volts, 5 amps, just there. That runs down the cable into here. Now what I've got here is a can't really see that, 5 volt regulator and 12 volt power supply going into there. On the bottom I've taken a 5 volt line and a 12 volt line off of there because I want the original 12 volts, because the 12 volts powers this thing and the 5 volts powers the Raspberry Pi, which is tucked down behind here. There it is. Okay, right, so on the 5 volt rail you see I've got a USB hub there which plugs onto that, and then it finally terminates in this USB socket here, and then the Pi's plugged into that. Okay, the USB hub is plugged into the Raspberry Pi via this cable, and the 12 volt line just goes straight through these cables. There is fuse because it's actually a car TV and it's supposed to be hooked into your car, and then it goes up to here and powers that. So that's all that. Obviously I've got a keyboard and mouse thing that's not plugged in. Okay. What I wanted to show you earlier was Quake, but I wasn't very good at it, so Bill. Right. So here we go. Now I've made a couple of changes. If you notice at the end of the last video it blue screened. That's because I've got a little issue with the power over here. That 5 volt regulator you can see there only has 1 amp, so I'm taking the Raspberry Pi and the USB hub off of 1 amp, which is a bit much for it. Raspberry Pi takes 700 milliamps and the USB hub can take a lot more than that. So I'm going to have to make a second one. I'm going to get a second regulator. I'm going to stick it in there, maybe, and then move the USB onto that. So I have a separate channel for Raspberry Pi and the USB dongle thing. Right. Let's just do this. So I haven't overclocked this. This is just a straight. I also don't have a mouse, and even if I did, I'm kind of holding this with one hand anyway. It's like playing Doom in the early 90s. If I kill him, it's going to be a miracle. But as you can see, it's very playable. Well, I can play it. Why won't you die? Oh, there we go. So that's that done. So as you can see, it plays full screen, full speed, full everything. So I'm pretty pleased with that. And that's it. Okay, bye.